All right. Hello, you trader nerds. It is a terrific Tuesday, and the market is doing a little V thing here. It went down and it went back up. So it's up 10 points for the day, doing what the market does, continually going up. VIX is in the 12 handle, and just nothing to see. Nothing to see. Let's look at the big green monster. See if the big green monster. Oh. We told you. I told you we were going to the 55.22. I said it was happening. Now, interestingly enough, we are what you would call overbought now. So being overbought, we would anticipate a return back into this area. And definitely within the next 10 days, we figure that we're going to have a drop back into this area. So we are overbought for the moment. So everybody needs to realize that we are overbought. Let's look at the linear regression really quick, like see what linear regression shows. Linear regression shows up, up, and away, but also you'll notice that we should see some bit of resistance here as we are at the top of the linear regression channel. So I think everything shows us that we should be having a pullback at some point in the next few days. That would be wise to plan on a pullback. All right. So with that said, let's see how our little account's doing today. See if we get to fire up the band or not. Look at this, y'all. This is amazing. I can't imagine any other world where we could make as much money as what we make doing this. So today is the 18th, 24, and let's say 274, 982. Oh, we're down a little bit though. 274, 377, 377. Daggett, I hate being down a little bit. That took us out of the 30,000 range, didn't it? But that's fine. We're still doing really, really good. I mean, look at this, y'all. Let me show you this. We're up $10,000 today on all the accounts. We're only up $111,000. Ain't bad, is it? That's not bad at all. So let's see what our Greeks ratios are. Oh no, we got negative theta. 296, negative 49. Oh, be still my heart. 296, negative 49. What does it mean? 296 and negative 49. Well, we will rectify that. And we said the VIX is in the 12 handle. And our buying power is, let's see, buying power is $91,000. 91.4, we'll say. 91.4. Well, that's a bunch. 91.4. Where does that come from? What did that? Who that? Who'd that come from? Where'd that come from? Anyway, see where it just jumped up on me all of a sudden there. Not sure what that is. But anyway, we're 33%. We don't have any theta. Now remember, we're not supposed to tell anybody, but our theta from the Black Swan hedges is supposed to be fake negative theta. So this really probably isn't negative theta at all. We probably do have positive theta. But let's see how we're doing here. Let's see what might have happened in the last few days that gave us this problem. So let's see activity. And let's see, we want to see field orders in the last 7 days. So 612, we should have already covered that. But look, today we bought nine. Look at this, nine at 31 days for 20 cents. That's a harvest, y'all. So 3,200s, nine of them at 20 cents. Let's see if we can find those. Let's go back over here. Hopefully I've got them in here. So nine at 104 days. That's not it. See if we can see another nine here somewhere. Uh-huh. That's nine at 7 days. Aha. Nine at 32 days with 31 days left. Is that those? Let's see this. Yep, with 31 days left. So we now have to harvest those nine at 20 cents. So that's three tranches, right? So 3,200s at 20 cents. And let's do it on today's date, I guess. 6/18/24. There we go. So we made how much money off those? $1,294.74. That is enough money to take my family to Applebee's. Oh, by the way, someone gave me a $200 Applebee's gift card. Thank y'all. I just want to say thank you for that. That covered about 10. Since we did that, y'all, what are we going to do? Well, we need to sell three more, don't we? Three tranches. If we, uh, yeah, what's that? Nine? Sell nine. We've harvested nine. So let's go ES and let's sell nine. And we'll call this BSH 28. Puts short hedge. All right, let's see where we're going to put it. So we harvested nine, so we're going to sell nine. So let's see. Let's go in here and let's trade. And we want 60 days or more. So let's go to, we got one at 60. Look at this, 60 days right there. But I like that 67 because we don't have anything in there. So let's go to the 67 day. Oh, man. You're going to make me log back out of this crap. I'll just tell you, how come we can't have a brokerage account that'll just stay open and let us do what we need to do without having to get all these things up? So, yeah, I'm fussing at you, Tasty. So let's see if we can get it here. Come here, little Tasty. Come here, little Tasty. Open up. Let me take me a big old swig of sweet tea out of a blue solo truck. You should ask Applebee's to sponsor you. That would be good. I mean, I could do it too. Let me tell you about the Esta lime chicken. Oh, when they bring that succulent little morsel of chicken out, and it's got that slathered in Mexi ranch, and then you take that little piece of lime, and you just so good. God, is that stuff good? And then I'd have to tell y'all this though, their rice is horrible. So you have to substitute mashed potatoes for the rice because the rice is like it's not good at all. So they probably wouldn't like me telling you about their rice. It's horrible. Oh, come on, man. Log in here. See if we can get our stuff fixed here. In. Logging in. There we go. We had all those little hemp numbers and stuff. All right. I said, okay. Dang it. This makes for riveting entertainment, I know, when we have to log into this crap all over the time. Come on, man. All right, here we go. So now let's go to, we're trading this account only. Make sure that's all I got. And we're going to go to ES. And we're going to go to that 67 days one. 66 days. And we're going to go down to the $3 one. Now, some of y'all are selling like $5 ones. That's fine too. No big deal. 41.50. Yep, markets are closed tomorrow, but we will still be here because we are futures traders and we don't take that silly holiday off tomorrow. I mean, it's not a silly holiday. It's just like we don't take any holidays off really. So we'll be here tomorrow and the futures market will still be open. So we'll be good to go. So we don't anticipate any difference in our schedule tomorrow. All right, so let's see if we can get 310 out of this. And we want to do three of these puppies, right? Three at 66 days. Let's see if we can get that filled. There we go. 41.50s. 41.50s at 310. 41.50s at 310. 41.50. Who was president when we got that? Was that Biden or was that if we're going to get some more holidays, I'm all for them, but make them fall on a Friday or a Monday, right? Instead of a Wednesday. Come on. And I know it's about that Juneteenth day, and I know that's a special day, but you know, it's kind of like you remember we used to celebrate Washington's birthday. You remember that? And but then they put it on a Monday. So 66 days and 6/18/24. And what we sell that for? 310. So we brought in $1,378 worth of things. So that's BSH 28 Let's go find that. BSH 28. So positions. BSH 28. Where's he at? There you are. Group positions. BSH 28. I wonder if we would have not voted if it had been Juneteenth here in Georgia, because today's Tuesday. If Juneteenth had been on a Tuesday, we might
Bobby,
have.
did you want to do nine of those?
How many did I do?
Thought I saw three.
God, I wanted to do 9, Hal. What's wrong with me? You're right. What's wrong with me? Say, how do I trade without y'all? I mean, honest to God. So let's do 6 more of these. 6 of these. We want to do 9 of those. There we go. So now let's put them in. Let's see. How do we do this? 9 of those. There we go. So we did take in whatever. Good. Thank you, Hal. All right. So now we want to close these when they get to 20 cents. So close the full bank when they're at 20 cents. And don't forget to put your GTC in, because if you don't do GTC, that order will not fill. All right. And then what we like doing is buying these. So let's see, 3 tranches would be 15 of those, right? 9, 3 times 5 is 15. So let's do 15 of those. 13, 14, 15. When we can do them at $1.55. Takes about 10 days or so for that to fill, right? And make that a GTC. We're just buying more and more of these things, y'all. We just doing good. Let's see what our thing looks like. Let's look at our little profit amount. God, that don't look good. What the devil is that? What the crap is that? Am I holding something I don't know that I'm holding? I mean, what is that? That is wicked stuff. And what is this? Now, you would think I hold a future. I don't hold a future, do I? Let's see. Futures, options. No. And the only stock that I hold is Bill. So options. Huh. I don't know what that is. That's a funky looking thing, though. All right, now we've got 357, 110. My longs are filling at fed for the shorts hit 20. That's okay. That's certainly fine. That's absolutely the way it should happen. You'll fill those longs way before you fill those shorts coming off. Yeah, that's exactly. Futures market probably, like most holidays, will close at 1 o'clock and then open back up at 6. I think that's normally the way they do it on holidays. So we'll meet at 12 tomorrow, so we should be fine. All right. So we'll just consider it a regular day. All right. So we're up $10,500 on the day, up 111,000. We probably need to put on a 111, don't we? So I think in this account, I don't even know how big this account is. What, 274? What did my position sizing say I needed to do? I need to do 1.5 per week. Well, maybe that's 2 a week, but our theta is low, y'all. So we really need to put on a trade. So let's put on one. So let's go trade. Let's see if we remember how to do a 1-1, whatever it is. 122 days. So we'll do here and here. 5,400. Okay, that's fine. And 5,400 for 10 and a quarter. Good. I started to say, why is that not filling? 5,400 for 10 and a quarter. So let's go put that in. Got to put our naked first. 5,400 for 10 and a quarter. So we did one PDS spread. So this is going to be PDS 38. And we're going to go 5,400, 5,350 puts, debit spread, 122. and 618.24, and we got in for 10 and a quarter. So now let's go sell our naked put. And our naked put is going to be at a 10% probability of being in the money. So I don't like, using the same strikes that we had there. So we'll move it up a little bit. We'll get a little rich. Since this has moved up a little bit too, right? We'll move this up a little bit to the 11% probability of being in the money. So that's a 5,000. We'll try to get, well, we won't let it get 35, 34.75. 34.75 for 5,000. 34.75 for 5,000. God, don't y'all love this? Now, y'all, I swear to you, I think we figured this thing out. I really do. Now, I want to see a 20% down move day. I want to see the lock limits and all kind of stuff happening. But I think, y'all, I think we know what to do. Now, that's dangerous when I say, hey, man, I think we figured it out. But I really do. I mean, all we got to do, here's what we got to do, y'all. We got to keep our size small. Okay? You keep your size small. We got this. There ain't nothing that we cannot recover from. So I hope everybody realizes that. God, look at this. I mean, it's just amazing. So what a country that you could do this in. Now it's taken us hundreds of thousands of hours collectively to come up with this strategy. And what we've come up with is really good. So let's see if we can group these now. NP38 and PDS38. So let's find those. So let's go to positions, ESU, PDS38. Maybe it's over here. ESZ. There we go. 5,400, 5,350. That's PDS38. And then the 5,000 here is NP38. Got it. All right, guys. Any questions? Any comments? I think we got our little thing done. Up 111,000 on the year, up $10,600 on the day. I think we'll call it a day. And I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye, everybody.